Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahdi and today I prepared 10 tricks in Clash Royale games that makes you pro player, so step by step come with me. I explain everything with all details. First of all, if you are a new member in my channel, don't forget to support me by clicking on button subscribe and notification to inform our new video and don't miss it. So without any waiting, let's go. Trick number 1. Actually, Clash Royale is a strategy games, and into the strategy games, one of the most important things that you should learn it is how to playing with the cards. What is exactly that means? I mean, every card have a specific ability. Besides, even the strongest cards have a weakness. For example, in this match, that guy start the games with the balloon, then he choose Valkyrie. His purpose it was distract my tower and my cards too. So if I make a mistake, the balloon could easily damage my tower and totally destroy it. That's why I choose the wizard, because the wizard one of the card can get higher damage to the balloon. Trick number 2. As I said, every card have a specific ability and weakness, so how to know that? Easy peasy, you only should go to the card part, so then click on the info. After that, you see the sticker with the happy face that's showing you like. That's the strength of the cards. After that, you see the sticker that's crying with the sad face. Is the weakness of the card. You should know this for the whole cards. For example, Hook Rider. I don't want to exaggerate, but I play Clash Royale about 6 years. Such a great time. Clearly, I remember I was in junior high school, and just imagine whole class playing Clash Royale. So never mind. In older version, never something like info exists, so you should know the ability of cards by your experience into the game. That was so hard. Trick number 3. Never play first, because when you play first, you lose elixir and you show one of your cards dead. Always wait the players start the games, unless neither that player didn't begin the games. Then on that condition, you can start the games with the lowest elixir card. Trick number 4. Always trying to know what is the best way to dropping your cards. For example, at this moment, that guy attacked me by the Mega Knife. What should I do? Firstly, ask yourself what is the best card to defend against the Mega Knight. Secondly, what is the best place to choose the card into the land games. Trick number 5. Find the best decks of your arena, then practice with decks to learn how to use it. That's my decks of arena 10. Can easily by searching on the internet find the best decks of your arena that you like to play with it and practice a lot to learn everything about the decks. Trick number 6. Follow the YouTuber and streamer on the Twitch, because when you follow that they are very well at Clash Royale. When you watching the stream and the gameplay, you learning more about the cards and information about the games. I really suggested every person that's playing Clash Royale. Trick number 7. Also, you can watch the exciting match on the TV Royale and making your gameplay and gaming experience better than other day. I promise you, if you watch it and learn it and make it time every day on your gaming experience, it will be better and you making progress and develop your skills every day, and you notice that. Trick number 8. Find a person to practice with you, someone that helps you to make progress and be better. For example, your friends, or you can join to the clan, then practice with your clanmates. Trick number 9. Never playing rush and don't waste your all elixir. Always try to start the game from that place. You can management the game, then get everything under control. Easily you can win every match and defeat every player in that surface. Trick number 10. Trick number 10 is little difference. One of the most important things that makes you success is never disappointing and never give up. I say you should lose a lot to can always win. So at the end I get ready for all you guys a battle and combination of all tricks. I hope so you guys enjoy it and have been useful for all.